Hi guys and welcome to Enchanted Sparkle Crafts. Today I'm going to show you how to make this half and half tuck spike bow. So we need two pieces of ribbon which each measure 18 centimeters each. I'm using 38mm or 1.5 inches. So we're going to go for the 6 centimeter point of this and we're going to fold it in so that we've got a third of the way in. And we are going to sew across that. We'll just check that it's all even. So we will sew across that when we're certain it's in the right place and you're not useless like me. We sew across that just like you would if you were sewing through the middle of your tuck bow. And when that's all sewn up, we are going to do a simple pinch with it. So just fold down, back up and back down, and then we're going to sew that up in the middle and trim our thread off when we're done. When we've done the first one, we're going to do the exact same again with the second one, only we won't be trimming off the end of the thread. So when we've done that, we're going to sew straight on our other one. We're going to make sure that our loops are at opposite ends to each other and the sides that will be spikes are at the opposite ends, so just like this. And we're just going to even it out and sew around, wrap your ribbon around, tighten everything up, and then it'll be all nicely attached together. So now we've got to this point, we need to do our spikes, so we're just going to fold it in the middle and snip across and then heat seal. One thing that I'm really lacking at the moment is choices of 9mm ribbon colours, so I'm just having to make do with what I've got here. So I'm going to go with this cream one because nothing else looks quite right with what I've got. So at this point I'm just going to wrap my ribbon around the centre of my bow and trim that off. And I'm also going to line my clip using the same ribbon as what I'm using for the centre. So I'm going to heat seal the ends of this and just line the clip. So I'm going to glue my clip to my bow and I'm going to wrap the centre around the inside of my clip just to make sure that everything stays on more securely, and then I'll just heat seal everything off and glue it all down. So that there is my bow all nicely finished off now. It's just something different to add to your bow sort of varieties. It's quite easy. Yeah, so thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Bye.